Hi, I'm Jeremiah, and I have with me Louise, our trainer with ENS, and she's going to show me something that I really don't do or haven't done in a long time, and that is how to get a Google Analytics account set up so I can track the amount of traffic that goes through my website. So you want to show me how I do this, Louise?
You bet. First thing you're going to do is go to googleanalytics.com.
So googleanalytics.com.
Right.
And
now, if you already have a Google account, you just click on it and you'll be able to access it. This is for people who've never used analytics, so click on Sign Up Now.
Sign Up Now. So I've never used analytics and I don't have a Google account. So I click on Sign Up Now.
Right. And now you don't have a Google account, and so what you'll do is click on Sign Up Now.
Okay.
Enter your email address.
Okay, so I'm going to use graphics@editnew.com and a password.
Create your password.
And it asked me to enter my password twice.
That's right.
And let's see. Farther down, it's also going to ask me word verification.
That's right.
So I can hardly make out what that word is. Can you see that? I think it's PREECURKLE. Okay. So I guess it must do some kind of,
It's just what this is just to prevent people spamming into Google.
Oh, so just make sure I'm a real live person.
That's right.
Okay, gotcha. So I do that, and then down below it has some terms and conditions, and I accept. So I click on I accept, create my account. Okay. So it now says account creation confirmation.
Yes. So now what you want to do is go to your email. You should have an email there from Google, which is a confirmation of your account. It will ask you to click on the link to activate your Google account.
Gotcha. So the email says, welcome to Google Accounts. To activate your account, click below.
Correct.
Basically. Okay, so I click there. And it says email address verified.
That's right.
Thank you for verifying your Google account. Your account is now activated.
Okay.
Okay, so where do I go from here?
So now if you want to close that window, go back to Google Analytics.
Okay, so I'm going to go to googleanalytics.com.
Click on Sign Up Now for Analytics. Because now you've created your Google account, now you're going to create your analytics account.
Oh, so now
so it's a two-step process.
Okay, so now I have to, it says new to Google Analytics, sign up now. So I have to click on sign up now. Okay.
Enter your email address, put in your password.
Okay. So it now says graphics@edit. That's my email address there.
That's right.
So I just put in the password that I told it before that I wanted. Okay.
And
click
sign
on
in.
Sign in. Oh.
And it's probably, and so now what you want to do is click on the bottom left-hand side of the screen is a sign up. That's what you want to do is sign up now for Google Analytics.
So this isn't, it's intuitive for geeks, but it's not intuitive for me. So it basically what I have to do is go to Google Analytics, sign up.
Yes.
Put in my email address and everything, and then go back to Google Analytics, log in, and then sign up for Google Analytics.
The first sign up you're doing is for a Google account.
Okay.
The second one is for analytics itself, particularly.
Okay. So now it says analytics, new account, sign up.
So what you want to do is enter the website, your website.
Okay. So in this case, I want enscorporate.com.
Put in the www at the beginning.
Oh, so I want to make sure I have the www in there. Okay.
And the account name would be ENS Corporate. Now you can leave it with www or make it ENS Corporate.
Okay.
Which is
easier.
Easier.
So ENS Corporate. Okay. And time zone.
Pick your country and your time zone.
We're here in Canada, and we are Pacific Time, Vancouver. and continue.
Continue. Now it's going to ask you for some contact information. So your last name, your first name. Again, you have to re-enter the country.
So it's not just the website, it's it wants to know what
Yes.
country I'm in. Okay.
And another agreement.
Another agreement.
And you
Okay.
have to tick the box that says, yes, I agree to the above terms.
Okay.
And create new account.
Okay.
Again, you're going to be sent an email confirmation, or actually, I guess in this case they're not. Now what you want to do is this tracking code that comes up, you want to highlight that, copy it, paste it in an email off to the office at editnew.com.
Okay.
Put in the name of your website in the subject header of that email,
Okay.
and ask the office to please install Google Analytics on your website.
Okay. So basically what I want to do is once I've gotten to this point, I just want to highlight this text here
Correct.
and send it to
Off-
Edit New.
Office
Okay.
at editnew.com.
Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into my email. And I'm going to create a new email. And so I just paste it in there.
That's right.
Okay, so Edit New takes care of everything else?
What they do is it gets templated into the pages so that every page you create will have this tracker on it. If you did it yourself, you would have to physically do it on every page. This way, it's done. You never have to worry about putting that tracking code in.
So in other words, if I send this email off to Edit New, I sign up for Google Analytics, do that step-by-step process, then just copy-paste this code that Google Analytics gives me and send it to Edit New. I guess in our case it'd be office at editnew.com.
And in the header,
Subject.
just put in Google Analytics.
Google Analytics that was for ENS corporate
Yes.
website. Okay, and it's
just
pasted. Mhm.
just put in maybe a little brief message asking to please.
Okay, so please put the above code into my website is what I put at the bottom of that.
That's right.
Okay, so I send
and
it.
send that off.
Okay,
Now, depending on the workflow, couple of days to a week,
okay,
that will be on your website. How you will know if it's on your website, if you go back to Google Analytics, just very quickly.
okay. So you want me to go back to Google Analytics? Okay, I'm back to Google Analytics.
Click on how can I confirm that I've entered the tracking code.
How can I confirm? Oh, over on the right. How can I confirm
Yes.
I've entered the tracking code correct on my pages?
Oh,
Okay.
okay, that's not okay. I took you to the wrong place. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Just
But okay, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show everybody what it looks like for me because I know once it's done, it's done.
Right.
So I'm going to go to Google Analytics.com and I'm going to
Access
Analytics. And oh, hey, look at that.
yes,
So now under website profiles has ENS corporate,
correct.
and most important there.
Actually, it also has the status. Right now, that's got a caution on it.
Okay.
Meaning that right now that's not installed on the website.
Okay.
When you come in and there's a check mark there,
Okay.
it means it's installed. Your website's now being tracked.
It's now being tracked. Okay. And then once it's being tracked, I would imagine here in View
Click
Report,
on View Report.
it'll give me all of the reporting of who's come into my website.
And a lot more. It's a very detailed report.
Very detailed. Okay. Perfect. So let's just recap very quickly. I go to googleanalytics.com. I set up the account as we walk through here. Once I've got the account set up, I email Edit New, that little code that Google Analytics gives me. And then from there, every time I go back to Google Analytics, I can go in and view this report of all of the traffic through my website. Not just existing pages, but any new pages.
That's right.